P&E is one of the brands from Shenzhen Meian Technology Company Limited. We are the manufacturer specialized in researching, developing, manufacturing, and marketing intruder and burglar alarm systems, video security surveillance, smart home automation systems, wireless PIR motion detectors, door window sensors, gas and smoke detectors. We have exported alarm products to Overseas Mart for 16 years. Over 37 engineers and 300 laborers are devoting great effort to build great quality and service, reliable and professional product for our customers. We have already acquired ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System and international certifications such as CE, CCC. Developed own brands Focus, iAlarm, Meian, PE, selling in global security industries. We import the production equipment of SMT, soldering, plastic jointing machine, and advanced producing equipment, testing instruments from Korea, Japan, and Europe. Advanced and strict management system help us to ensure the product quality and service. Why choose us? 1. Starting from 2003 with ISO 9001-2015 certified. 2. Large factory covering area, about 13,000 square meters. 3. In-house hardware and software R&D capability. 4. Over 37 R&D engineers teamwork. 5. 10 plastic injection machines, over 5,000 private plastic molds, 8 SMT machines from Japan, and soldering facilities.